In today's video, you will learn how tea tree oil works for beards. Tea tree oil is an immensely popular beauty and wellness ingredient used and marketed by numerous brands. And if you've come across its fragrance, you'll know that tea tree oil has a fresh and soothing herbal smell. Its healing and medicinal properties make it especially beneficial for your hair and skin. This essential oil replenishes skin and hair vitality by restoring moisture and soothing inflammation. It even works a similar magic on beard hair and the skin underneath, eliminating all the problems that hinder natural beard growth. Tea tree oil is particularly beneficial for beards because it acts as a natural cleanser and fights against bacterial infections that affect beard follicles. But what exactly is tea tree oil? Tea tree oil comes from the leaves of the tea tree, which is a small evergreen tree native to warmer Australian regions. It grows in the tropical and subtropical wetland areas southeast of Australia. Also known as Melaleuca alternifolia, the tea tree should not be confused with the tea plant, which is used to make black and green tea. Because of tea tree oil's anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, it's been traditionally used as herbal medicine. It's also used effectively to treat acne. So how does tea tree oil work for beards? Tea tree oil is excellent for beard growth. When you apply it to your beard or directly to your scalp, it helps stimulate and increase blood flow to these areas. As a result, it improves and strengthens the growth of hair follicles. Here are some amazing benefits of using tea tree oil for beard growth. 1. It breaks the cycle of hair loss and dandruff. Hair loss and skin flaking are a vicious cycle that affects beards as much as they afflict head hair. Tea tree oil breaks this chain by restoring moisture to the dry, irritated skin under your beard, thus helping maintain the thickness of your beard. 2. It protects against product buildup. Regularly using beard grooming products like balms and waxes can cause buildup. When product buildup is left unchecked, hair can lose its natural sheen. Applying tea tree oil to beards can help protect the hair and prevent excessive buildup. 3. It stimulates blood flow. Did you know that tea tree oil has stimulating properties that naturally improve blood circulation? Your beard will grow at a faster pace when blood flow is optimal. Even aromatherapy using tea tree oil can stimulate blood circulation and bring about an improvement in your overall health and well-being. Incredible, isn't it? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 4. It unclogs blocked pores. Pores on the skin under your beard can become clogged due to dirt, and tea tree oil can gently unclog them. It helps treat pore inflammation and helps weed out ingrown hair follicles, so you can grow a thick, healthy beard. 5. Eliminates dandruff. Beard dandruff seems like a never-ending problem. However, using tea tree oil every day keeps beard rough permanently at bay, putting a full stop to that persistent itch. 6. Treats beard acne and spots. Tea tree oil has antiseptic properties that help repel acne and spots on the skin under your beard. It is also highly therapeutic and protects hair from harmful microbes that cause acne and other types of infections. 7. Helps minimize greasiness. A greasy beard feels stifling and unhealthy. Greasiness also gives rise to numerous problems that can prevent the growth of your beard. Tea tree oil in your beard leaves it feeling healthy, light, and non-greasy. You only need 2 ingredients to make a classic beard growth recipe. You'll need 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil and 2 drops of tea tree oil. Easy, isn't it? You can increase the amount of these ingredients, but it's a good idea to take it slow to avoid any other problems. Although tea tree oil may not grow your beard as fast as some formulated medications, using a beard oil recipe with tea tree oil gives you a better, fuller-looking beard without having to worry about harmful side effects. Have you used tea tree oil in your beard? Share your experience with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get my free ebook linked in the description box below to learn 10 essential steps to strengthen your immune system so you'll feel your best.